PS, all is not lost. We may be the bearer of the bad news through the DG.
Kurigana na Minista wa Ugima wa Mwiri nkumicha, riboti egie darisha ministry ino ironania ati ceceni cia kuheana motungata ma Ugima wa Mwiri cia thirikari guku bururi-ini irikinyithanitie hari kadi ya kurugamirira marihi ma thibitari ya nhif ni gicuje kia 40%.
I want to confirm that so far from July, August, September, October, November, and even up to the 15th, there are payments that have gone out, and specifically up to December 15th, up to 2.9 billion had been paid. But I understand and patience of all parties involved during this challenging period, especially now when Kenyans are headed into this festive season.
Riboti ino ironania mathibitari maya ni nuthu ya mathibitari maria meguku bururi-ini maria makoragwo makigacirithia hari motungata maguthaitira atumia riri maraheo ciana, na uyu ni kuga ati thirikari iri na rugendo runene rwa gukinyanirithia motungata ma muigi ma mwiri hari sector ino.
Of some of the areas that as a country we are struggling with. For instance, our maternal mortality indicators are still high at 355 deaths per 10,000 live births. Health workforce still remains a great shortage and unrest among health workers.
Na hari kuhura njeki sekta ino ya ugima wa mwiri, nkumicha niarekereirie ati ukinyaniria tariki 30 mweri uyu turi, ceceni cia urigitani cia thirikari ni igukorwo ikiamukira kimanjika gia ciringi bilioni 3 niguo gutwarithia mihango ino na njira iria yagiriire mambura-ini maya ma thiguku.
I want to assure all the facilities that we have had discussions, and PS Kimtai is here, and we have agreed that by the end of this year, that is by 30th of December, a total of 3 billion Kenya shillings is going to be paid out to all the facilities. And I believe PS payment begins next week, yeah?
Just next week, madam.
Thank you. So for those who are worried that services are going to be halted, this is a confirmation that as from Monday, and that means there are people who are not going to be on holiday to ensure that Kenyans can access services.
Nayo ndumiriri ya nkumicha kuria Kenya mambura-ini maya ma kirithimathi ni ati
let us remember to prioritize our health and safety. To stay safe as you travel, for those who will be traveling home, very Merry Christmas and a prosperous, healthy, new 2024.
Giribotera Muthingi TV ni yegetwo wairimu wa Kimani.